Good morning, family. Welcome back to Papa T Adventures. Today we got a nice snow day air ups for you. So we got a recent order, another order from Pyramyd Air. They had a Valentine's Day special going. So ordered some stuff with the free, taking advantage of the deal they had. As you can see, it's a nice snowy day outside. You may or may not be able to tell from the window behind me. But see, this is a nice way. And this came in just as it was getting going. So we got 1, 2, 3 bundles. Our shipping list, which says that we got 5, 6. All right, so there should be, despite the way it looks, there should be 12 tins of pellets plus a pellet pen. Don't expect anything else but paper in here. Yep, so put that aside. Go ahead. Pyramyd's still my favorite for the way they pack pellets. All right. That being said, that tin, it's smashed anyway. We got some 177 cal H&Ms, JTS dead centers in 22, JTS dead centers in 25, times 2, and those are the 29.32 grains, and they are popped that direction. Tins look a little less happy than I'm used to seeing them. Alright, so over here, more of our Crossman Premier hollow points. Nice big tins here. These are FX 25 cal and 26.6 grain. These are their atomic pellets, and just the regular 25.4 grain pellet tin. And then all right. .22 cal JSB exact jumbos. Some more H&N field target trophies, this time in 22 cal. H&N Barracuda match in 177. Barracuda 8s in 177. And JSB exact Diablos in 177. There you have it. 12 tins, pellets. Some of them are looking a little wonky. Hopefully our pellets are all right. Find out as we use them. And then 177 cal pellet pen. Make it easier to get those pellets in. Thanks for stopping by, family. We'll catch you next time. Papa T Adventures.